Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. First up, we see someone with very long hair get their hair cut into a bob. So the stylist did do a longer bob hairstyle for this look, and he also added some face framing highlights as well as some waves. Beautiful transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we see someone getting more of like a mid-length haircut for this next one. She has absolutely gorgeous dark strands, but she has decided to mix things up with some color. I love the subtle color change towards the ends. Beautiful. And I would say that this is more of a lob versus a mid-length cut. Oh, absolutely gorgeous color. She did do more of like a blonde ombre look. And the cascading waves really enhance the color. Gorgeous. Another beautiful lob featuring face framing highlights. So the stylist did a layered haircut. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.